Hello, my name is Gerrika Fredericks, and I'm here to help you register your upcoming kindergarten for kindergarten. There are a few documents that you'll need to be prepared before you even access the website that I'm going to show you here in just a few seconds. You'll need 2 proof of residency, whether it's a mortgage, deed, lease, it could be an electric bill, water bill, a recent bank statement. You'll need their Immunization Records for Tennessee, that is required. Their birth certificate and social security cards not required, but it is preferred. But if you don't have it, that is okay. You can still go ahead with the registration. And you'll need a proof of physical within the past 12 months. And if you go to hcde.org, the steps from there are very simple. When you begin, there are a few confirmation questions to ensure that you're in the right spot. Once signed in, the portal offers very easy step-by-step instructions on the information to include and all the documents you can upload. You'll see very general information questions, transportation questions, child contacts, and even medical history. When you enter your address, you'll find the Find Zone School. Hamilton County does also offer school choice to attend charter, magnet, or open enrollment schools through a separate application. Last but not least, make sure you submit your application so you do not lose any of your progress. And just like that, your child is registered for kindergarten. If you want any updates, you can feel free to follow their Facebook page. Most schools have a social media page, or follow directly on your school's website. Congratulations on registering your child for kindergarten.